Good evening, esteemed judges. Here we present our case for the EY CAFTA Chapter 2 case competitions. Our stream was Basics of Global Financial Markets. The name of our team is Dilemma Decoders, and my name is Garima Gupta. Along with me, I have Dhruv Vasudeva, and we have tried to analyze Orion Limited's options of subsidiaries in USA, Germany, and China by focusing on different investment products, mutual funds, and pension funds. So the first is the investment products in USA, and Dhruv will take over now.
Yeah, so coming on to the investment products in USA, along with the risk and return profile, the major investment products that we saw in the USA region were money market funds, exchange and exchange traded funds. So in the money, in here the money market funds are the most stable. Coming on to the closed-end funds and the fixed income instruments, the fixed income instruments were the most stable fund that the company can look at. And now coming on to the investment products in the Germany region, along with their risk and return profile, the major investment products we saw that were in exchange traded funds and the American depository receipts, both were quite volatile, having negative returns, but the fixed income instruments were having relatively stable interest, close to 2%. And now coming on to the investment products in China, along with the risk and return profile, the major instruments that we saw were exchange traded funds, fixed income instruments, money market funds, and negotiable certificate of deposits. So in here, the fixed income instruments as well as the money market funds and the negotiable certificate of deposits were the most stable ones. And now coming on to the types of mutual funds in Germany, USA, and China, in all the three countries, the major mutual funds were mainly the equity funds, the bond funds, and the mixed income funds or the hybrid funds.
So coming on to the risk management practices in the three countries, we have tried to look at the certain limits which have been imposed by certain laws. Apart from that, we looked at the functions, roles, and responsibilities of key parties, the chief officer, the risk management committee, the board of asset management companies, and the board of trustees. Apart from that, we have looked at mutual funds, organization structure, regulations in these three countries. Then we have tried to analyze the investment products of the pension fund companies in USA, Germany, and China. So what we found out was that there's a major focus is on the public equities, fixed income and cash, and alternative investment funds, which are private equity, real estate, and hedge funds. And in USA, there's more focus on public equities and bonds, and similar is in Germany. But in China, there's a bit different with more focus on fixed income assets. Then we looked at various challenges and the rate of return for these pension fund companies. Apart from that, we have tried to analyze all of these through the examples of USA, Germany, and China with the help of these resources. Thank you so much.